All right, this is question number 73 on page 519. It asks us to determine if this function is an even function, an odd function, or neither. So there's kind of two things we need to do. First of all, we need to review what these functions are, and more importantly, I needed to go over the even-odd identities with you. We didn't go over the identities that were on our sheet because we ran out of time, but the sine of negative theta is equal to negative sine theta. That basically tells you that this is an odd function. When you plug in negative, so to review an even and odd function, if f of negative x is equal to f of x, then we have an even function. If when you substitute negative x into the function, it gives you the opposite of the function, then it's odd. So by that definition, that means sine is an odd function, because when you plug a negative theta into it, it gives you negative sine theta. The tangent is the same way. Now, I would like to prove this to you, and I hope to do it in class sometime, but for right now, we're just going to have to go. And then the cosine of negative theta is equal to the cosine of theta. When you plug in a negative theta into the cosine, it basically just it's the same as the cosine of positive theta. So that means this one is even. So these two are odd, that one is even. So by the definition, if I wanted to determine if this is even or odd, I'm going to do the substitution. I'm going to put in a negative x where I see x. I'm going to put in negative x where I see cosine. Where I see the cosine of x. Now, this is an odd function, so this becomes negative sine x. This is an even function, so the negative just goes away. A positive times a negative is a negative. So as you can see, this is the opposite of my original function. Therefore, this one is odd. It is an odd function, and it has symmetry about the origin. Okay? Basically, the product of an odd and an even function is odd. Okay? I apologize for not preparing you more for this question, but hopefully you watch this video and kind of see. It's really mostly kind of review along with some stuff that I really haven't talked about yet. My bad.